how to log in to Riot for the first time using your mobile device or your tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. Logging into Riot mobile account for the first time is super easy. First of all, open your Riot application on your device, and once you're inside this welcome screen, click on the Riot option. On the next page, you'll need to sign in by entering your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can choose the Create Account button at the very bottom and follow through the instructions. If you have an existing account, type in your username and then your password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password, click on Can't Sign In and then follow through the instructions. Then you can choose whether you've forgotten your username or your password and then go through the instruction and you'll be able to recover your username or password according to your selection. But if you remember your password, you can write it down in the respective text box and click on this arrow button at the bottom. Right after you do that, you'll be logged into your Riot mobile account. That is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.